So in this video, basically, I'll be showing you guys highlights of my Benin trip. Basically, highlights and clips of my Benin trips, but excluding Hajara's wedding. Hajara's wedding is gonna come in the next video. And basically, just highlights from the moment I went to drop my dog, the moment I went to buy cliche, the moment I boarded the plane at the airport, the moment I landed. I went to check up all of my investments, my fish pond down there in Benin City, and yeah, basically, then I got a surprise package from Faustina's, aka CU Sweet and Spicy, called Sea Robots. By the time, guys, and yeah, basically that's it. And this video is not sponsored by anybody, so yeah, basically just clips of how I got to Benin City, and I'll see you when I get back. So it's about 11 all the time, I think 11:20-ish, and I'm about going to get some things before I head to the airport. So firstly, I'm going to pick up my dog. I don't know if you can see me right now. I'm going to pick up my dog, drop her at the vet, then head to Area 1 in Abuja to buy some kilishi. So yeah, I guess I'll have to catch you when I get back. So it's about 11:40, I guess, or 11:44, and we're heading to Area 1 to get some kilishi. By the way, meet Salisu, my cab guy, or my cab brother. Takes me anywhere, everywhere in Abuja. So yeah, so we're going to Area 1 right now, and I'm just gonna continue the video when we get there. So I just got some kilishi. But right now, and I'm gonna catch you when I get there. So I'm in the airport right now, and my flight is set to board at about 2:45, and this is 1:45, 1:40-ish. I think I'm a bit too early, but still good. So I'll just be waiting. I'll just be waiting out to my flight. And yeah, basically that's it. Hope you are doing good, and I hope to see you where I land. So let me see what happens with me right now. Oh, I think this is where the light is coming from. I forgot the cake and kilishi I bought, but then I went back to get it. I was so lucky I remember the time when my head jigged on time. So yeah, basically that's it, and I'm waiting for body. So right now it's about 1:45, and yeah, we are moving forward. So I think the road number 6F. Yeah, body. This is 2:15, and 25 minutes time we'll be taking off, and yeah, oh my god. I just arrived in Benin, and the first thing I did, or what first thing I'm doing, is to head straight to my fish pond. Yeah, basically I'm in my fish pond. I just came to check it out and see how my fishes are doing. So yeah, like that's the first thing I do. I forgot to take some videos on my arrival at the airport. So I'm gonna show you guys the fish pond right about now. So here are some fishes. The pond is quite clean today. Like they were expecting me. I think these are like the smaller ones. These are the really small ones. So immediately after my checking out my fishes, I went home, dropped my bag basically. So yeah, I'm at the front of Sweet and Spicy's house. She has a surprise package for me. So I'm waiting for her basically to get my package. So as soon as the package arrives, I'm gonna show you guys what she has for me. Ouch, this thing is hot. So she has given me the food.
I don't want who you update your life for?
Like quite now my YouTube channel. No, they disturb me now.
I don't even understand you.
So
yeah.
yeah.
Your beautiful life. I don't understand. Channel is a channel.
Okay, keep quiet. So this is the food. Ooh, Jesus. Smoky. I think this is too turkey. Or turkey. Obviously it's too. Hey, this boy, what's your point? Somewhere, avoid me.
They give you 2 turkey.
So at this point you've gotten to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and staying even through my boring adventures, I guess. So yeah, if you guys actually got to the end of this video, just comment your name and maybe probably your address or any address you have in Abuja. I will probably do a giveaway for 10 random people. I'll be sending out cupcakes. Yeah, just comment your name and maybe probably your Instagram handle or something. Just a form of appreciation. You guys have been so great to me on this channel, and yeah, basically that's it. And in the next video I'll be showing you the pre-setups, the events, and how generally Hajara's wedding went for brothers, like the main reason I went to Benin City. And yeah, basically that's it. And without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace.
But while you were even saying this thing, he's not very excited. Those person that call his friends, they were not very excited.